Today is Organizational Wednesdays. So, and with that in mind, we are
moving stuff
around. So this couch is going to come back here. Somehow, by some kind of magic, this love seat is going to go into my room. And this futon, I'm going to weatherproof it and put it outside. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put it down, the back part down, so that I'm gonna put a whole bunch of pillows, and then that's gonna be my outside office. This is my indoor office. See that? Then I'm gonna have an outdoor office. I'm so excited.
Man.
This is gonna be awesome.
Office space.
And I'm waiting to hear from a friend who's gonna help me deal with this and all that.
Poshmark.
Yeah. I might do like a separate video today of stuff I'm selling on Poshmark. And then there's Maggie. She's my assistant. She protects me from everybody. And then where's the cat? The cat scared me to death. You scared me to death. And then you know what happened? You want to know what happened? Okay, here. So
Tell us what happened.
So what happened was, okay, I was looking all over you. I think you were out still. I was like, where's the cat? Where's the cat? I'm freaking out. I can't find him. You know how it gets. You get anxious.
You think he jumps over the fence.
Yeah, I know. That's what I thought. I was like, oh my gosh. I'm calling him. And, of course, first thing I look at is outside. Look under the chairs. Can't find him. Laundry room, thinking he's maybe using a kitty litter box. Maybe he's in here. Maybe he's in my room, in the closet. I'm calling, and Maggie's no help.
Not looking for the cat.
She's not helpful at all. You're supposed to have that sense of smell, man. Anyway, so I'm getting really, really worried. I'm like, where are you? Calling. I go to look outside. He's right there on the doormat, like the doormat that he likes.
How'd you miss him?
He wasn't there. I'm just telling you, he wasn't there. So he must have been. I don't know where he was.
He was hiding from you. I think he's too fat, like you say, to climb the fence. Sorry, cat.
Yeah, he can. He can barely jump. So anyway, yeah.
That's what's going on.
Yep, so that's what we're doing today. So I'll hopefully, okay, here's what it looks like. This is what it looks like right now. So hopefully it's going to look amazing afterwards. And then I'll show you what my room looks like. So we're going to move this love seat. And so hopefully we'll get in that corner. And it's going to go right here. And I kind of like this better that the love seat is here, because the futon was a little bit too low and not as comfy, and so that love seat is going to be nice and comfy. I just have to put a bunch of coverings over it because it's not pink, but that's okay. Maybe wouldn't it be cool if I could like have it reupholstered into pink velvet? Oh! So, hey guys, check it out. Here's my Maggie. So, got the couch back here. Still got the Poshmark stuff, but that's okay. Everything looks nice and neat. Here's how the couch looks. I like to use beach towels for decor. Looks cute, right? And then, and here's my console. It's a little messy, but you kind of get the idea. I'm going to move that, but, yeah. I like the fabric. I'm crazy about that blue fabric. Oh my gosh, I love that. And then we got, I'll turn this on. So we got RJ's couch set up here. It's a hide-a-bed. So it doesn't have the mattress for it, but I'm going to get one like online or something. But this is what I did to make it a little more comfy for him. And this chair is probably going to go back in my bedroom area once we get everything moved. And also added this silver fabric along with the, I don't know if I like that. We'll see. I think it looks better in person than it does on camera. And then next thing we did was we moved this here temporarily, because what I want to do is I want to put a bunch of tarps on this, and I want to bring it outside. It's a futon, so when it folds out, my plan is this is going to be my second office, as I was telling you about. So I'm planning to have this, throw a bunch of outdoor pillows on top of it, and just hang out there. I've got a beach umbrella. Look at this mess too. Oh, got so much to do with this patio. It's looking frightening. But I have a beach umbrella, and I have my outdoor rug. So eventually I'll get that going. I can't wait for that. And then lastly, by hook or by crook, they finally were able to move the love seat that was in my husband's room, and we moved it into my room. And so I just threw some fabric over it. Super comfortable too. I love this. It's like you sink right into it. So there's my Audrey pillow. Yeah, originally I should have gotten a longer couch for my husband, because sometimes he has to sleep in a separate room because he moves around a lot and he snores and all this kind of stuff. Hopefully someday we'll be able to sleep in the same bed. That's the goal. But anyway, so that's how it looks. I'm quite pleased. I don't know if I ever showed you how gorgeous is that? I love the skylights. So yeah, that's how it's looking. That right there's a story. There's a clock that should have gone there. See this clock? Eventually I'm going to find a way to get it back up there, but there's a story about that. Anyway, this is how it's looking. Not bad. Not bad. I can live with that.